Doer is a toolbox that's basically a tool shed in a box. It has all these tools. Everything in Doer starts with the Unigrip. That's the one handle for all the tools. You attach the drill, and you have an excellent drill with a hammer function. Take off the drill, put on the jigsaw, and you have a jigsaw with orbital cutting action, capable of doing everything a jigsaw needs to do. Then there's the circular saw, strong enough to cut anything. Now I want to switch to drill again? No problem. Here's drill. Now circular saw, now jigsaw. But a tool shed is not just the tools hanging on a wall. It's also the table for all the table tools. Look, in a second, Doer turns into a work table. You just mount the tools under the stainless steel armored lid, then you form the table functions, and voila! Yep, with Doer you can create, fix, and build anything, no matter where you live. And all the tools neatly fold into this fold-a-bag. It's portable, so you can also take it with you wherever you go.
Introducing the Stanley FatMax Power Claw, a first-of-its-kind clamping power strip that allows you to clamp your power where you need it, when you need it. The Power Claw grabs onto just about anything, and with 3 grounded outlets, it lets you tap into power safely and securely. The Power Claw is designed to supply power in unconventional places and keeps you from having to deal with loose wires. And we all know how dangerous that can be. It comes with a 3-foot heavy-duty cord and features a built-in circuit breaker to prevent overloads. Don't deal with loose, flimsy wires ever again, because now you can have the Power Claw.